What are your views about coal mining equipment industry?
Coal mining industry in India is on the move. We feel that the outlook is very, very bright. First of all, a lot of private companies are getting into coal mining. Apart from that, Coal India themselves are trying to increase their production. So overall, things look very, very optimistic and bullish.
How your company has performed in last 1 year?
The company has performed well. Last year we did well also, and we had some large orders for some special equipment. This year, instead of those special equipment, we have a large number of orders for the regular machines that we produce, and most probably we will produce the double the number of machines that we produced last year, the regular machines.
What is your objection to Sandvik's joint venture?
We don't have any objections. The fact remains that Sandvik has taken a policy decision globally that they will now, wherever they are involved in joint ventures or any kind of association with other companies, they would terminate those agreements and go on their own. So that is the reason why they have plans of exiting Ironco Elecon.
So what will be the impact?
We are seeing a very positive impact of this. The reason is, earlier whenever we wanted any technology, we had to only go to the Sandvik group to get that technology. Now the advantage is that we can pick and choose and go for the very best from any part of the world. Apart from that, we have the freedom to get into other kinds of businesses which earlier we were not permitted to do.
Do you think there will be any confusion about two companies offering same products in the market?
That is a possibility. It depends on what Sandvik's plans are. However, we are very confident that we have a lead over them. So our brand is much better known than Sandvik. And the other thing is that the cost economics wise, we would be far ahead of them, which would give us an upper edge.